Hi, welcome to this video. I'm gonna guide you through how to make transparent text in Capcut. Making text transparent in Capcut involves reducing the text's opacity in the style menu. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna press the text that I just made, right? Or double click the text in your screen, and a window will show up. Switch to styles, and from there you can choose different font or different font color, right? And you can increase the size here, right? Or reduce the basically the opacity, right? Move it a little bit to the left here to increase transparency. And after you're done, hit the check mark. Consider liking this video, subscribing, it really helps with the channel. Until next time, see you.